In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to revoke active sessions in Cursor AI. This is a quick, effective way to secure your account by signing out devices or browsers you no longer recognize or simply don't use anymore. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to look for, and how to end any session safely. Start by signing in to your Cursor AI account using the official app or website. Make sure you're logging into the correct workspace or profile if you manage more than one. If you've recently changed your password or used single sign-on, that's fine. Just complete your normal sign-in flow so we can access your settings. Once you're in, switch from the agent view to the dashboard view. Some users land in the agent interface by default, which focuses on chat and assistance. We need the dashboard because it houses your account and security controls. Look for the navigation option that takes you to the dashboard. It's typically available from the main menu. On the dashboard, find the left-hand sidebar and click on Settings. If the sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see the labels clearly. The settings page is where you control preferences, account details, and security features. If a gear icon is displayed, that's a good hint you're in the right place. Within settings, scroll down until you see a section labeled Active Sessions. This area lists the devices and browsers currently signed into your account. You'll usually see details like the platform, approximate location, and when each session was last active. Take a moment to review this list. If something looks unfamiliar, maybe an old laptop, a shared computer, or a location you don't recognize, it's a good candidate to end. To revoke a session, expand the sessions list if it's collapsed, then click the Revoke button next to the session you want to end. You may be asked to confirm your choice. Once revoked, that device or browser will be signed out and will need to log in again to access your account. Repeat this action for any additional sessions you want to remove. Keep in mind that revoking your current session could sign you out, so be prepared to sign back in if needed. When you're done, give the page a quick refresh to confirm the changes. As a best practice, consider updating your password if you noticed any unfamiliar activity, and keep two-factor authentication enabled if it's available. That's it, you've successfully cleaned up your active sessions and strengthened your account security.